Let's recreate this Canva profile UI in Jetpack Compose. Open Canva, set size 108/1920. Set gradient background. Use a rounded frame from Elements. Use a 3D avatar from Elements for the demo. Add the profile name. Add the profession text. Add cloud graphics from Elements for the background design. Set transparency. Design the follow button. Set rounded corner. Create the stats section. Insert lines from Elements. Add the posts, followers, and following section. Apply a gradient to the follow button. Add a verified badge from Elements. Use shadows and spacing to improve the design. Export as a PNG. Open Android Studio, paste the profile_bg file into the drawable folder. Build the profile card layout. Set the Canva created image as the background. Add the avatar image. Insert the name and verified badge. Add profession text. Use a spacer to adjust the spacing. Insert a horizontal divider in the stats section. Create a reusable composable named StatItem and pass the stat data to it. Add a follow button below the profile information. Final UI after applying the gradient to the follow button. Quick tip: follow for more Jetpack Compose UI tutorials.